Hello everyone, welcome back again. So today in this session we will discuss our third chapter, give and take. Okay, so we already know what is the meaning of give and take. If you don't know, just check the previous video. Okay, so what is the meaning of give? Subtraction, and take, addition. Okay, how give is related to subtraction, because when we give something to someone, the number of things are decreases. When we take something from someone else, so number of things are increases. So give means subtraction and take means addition. जब आप किसी को कोई चीज़ देते हैं तो चीज़ें आपके पास से कम हो जाती हैं, तो सब्ट्रैक्ट। जब आप किसी से कोई चीज़ लेते हैं तो आपके पास नंबर ऑफ़ थिंग्स इंक्रीज़ हो जाते हैं, आपके पास चीज़ें ज़्यादा हो जाती हैं, तो टेक मीन्स एडिशन. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द चैप्टर गिव एंड टेक. ओके, so basically in this chapter we will learn how to subtraction and addition is useful in our daily life. Okay, so let's start. In page number 29 there is one girl, Kitu. Okay, and she want to paint her rooms, but there are 100 rooms and it is very difficult to her to paint each and every room. So what she did, she start from the room number 2 or add 10 to 2 and she reached in room number 12. How? Because 2 plus 10 is equals to 12. So when she moved 10 steps forward to room number 2, so she reached in room number 12. So basically there is two ways to reach room number 12. The first way is just go in right hand side to room number 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9 and 10. Okay, don't go directly 10 to 20, it's not the correct way. Okay, so when you add 2 to 10, she reached in room number 12. Or the second method is just count the number of rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there is 10 number of rows or 10 number of columns. Okay, so just count all the just count the number of columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there is totally 10 columns. Okay, it means when your position is 1 and you add 10, so your next position is 11. If your position is 3 and you add 10 more, so your next position is 13, because total number of column is 10. Okay, आपके पास 10 कॉलम है, तो आप जब जैसे उसमें 10 ऐड करोगे आपको एग्जैक्टली उसकी अपर पोजीशन ही मिलेगी. ओके, आप इसको चेक भी कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन she is in room number 2, so after that she will go in room number 12 directly also. Okay, so just check. When she jumped from 2 to 12 is like taking 10 steps. Okay, why? Because 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. Okay. Now try one jump from 14. Okay, so if her initial position is 14 and she jumped 10 more steps, so her next position is, just check in the grid. If your initial position is 14, so 10 step, it means the next position is 24. So here answer is 24. Okay, got it? Okay, now I will go to 22 to 41. So there is two way to go 22 to 41. Okay, first is, where is 22? Here, and want to reach in 41. So first method is just go 22 to 32, 32 to 42, and then one less 41. It's a first method. And another method is, first go to room number 22 to room number 21, then go to room number 31, and then go to room number 41, because all rooms are attached to each other. Clear? So there is two ways to go in room number 41. You can go from 22 to 32, then 42, then 41, or you can go to 22 to 21, then 31, and then 41. Clear? Okay. So to reach room number 41, there is 3 steps. Okay, 22 to 32, then 42, then 41, or 22 to 21, then 31, then 41. Okay, in 3 steps you can go there. Okay, now the next activity is, hey, I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some room. So in some rooms there is some sweets, okay, and she want to get it. Okay, so there is some hints, and by solving these hints they can easily find out in which rooms sweets are there. Okay, अगर आप इन हिंट्स को सॉल्व कर देते हैं तो आपको इजीली पता लग जाएगा कि किस किस रूम में स्वीट्स रखी हुई हैं, और आप उन स्वीट्स को, मिठाइयों को पा सकते हैं. Okay, you can get it easily. So just let's do it. 10 less than 34. Where is 34? Here. 10 less means 1 step back. So it is room number 24. Okay, how? You can do it by subtracting also. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 minus 1, 24. So the answer is room number 24. Okay, so you can write here room number 24. Okay, next is 53 minus 20. 53 minus 20. So where is 53? Here, and minus 20 means, yes, 2 steps down. 1, 2. So answer is 33, and you can do it like that also. 53 minus 20. So 3 minus 0, 3, and 5 minus 2, 3. So the answer is 33. Okay, so just write the answer. 33 is 24. Listen, you can do it by additional subtraction also, and you can do it by this activity also. C part is 11 more than 31. So first just check where is 31. Here is your 31, and 11 more means 1 step and add 1 more. So the answer is 42. 11 more than 31. So 31 plus 11 equals to 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 4 plus 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, so it is 42. Simply you can do these questions also. Okay, these all questions are very easy. In your question number D, 11 less than 66 means 66 minus 11. So 66, where is 66? Here. Okay, minus 11 means 1 step back and less 1. So answer is 55. Okay, you can do it by subtraction also. Next is 62 plus 13. So 62 plus 13, you can do it by addition also, or by using this activity also. Come to the next page, page number 32. In page number 32, there is some questions. Okay, they given one example also. 37 plus 10. So 37 plus 10 equals to 47. Okay, again use this grid for it. 37 plus 10 is 47. Okay, so answer is 47. 37 plus 9. So 37 here, 37 plus 9. So first add 10, then less 1. So answer is 46. Okay, and mathematically 37 plus 9. So 9 plus 7 is equals to 16. 6 carry 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So it is 46. The answer is 46. Now next is 65 minus 30. So where is 65? 65 minus 30. So 3 steps down. So answer is 35. Okay, and you can do it by subtraction also. So 46 plus 21, 87 minus 30. These all questions are very easy. Now the different one is this one. 66 minus what, and you get 11. ओके, 66 से हम क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि आपका आंसर 11 आए. क्लियर? सो एज यू कैन सी, वेयर इज 66? हियर. Okay, and you have to subtract something, and the position is this one, 11. So now less 10, it is 56, less 20, 46, less 30, 36, less 40, 26, less 50, it becomes 16. Now less 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 50 plus 5 is equals to 55. So answer is 55. When you subtract 55 from 66, the answer is 11. Okay, and mathematically, if you want to do that, what you have to do, 66 minus 11, okay, is equals to 55. So answer is 55. Now next is 36. So what we have to add with 9 to get 36? So where is 9? Here. And you want to get 36. Where is the position of 36? Here. Okay. So first add 10, 20. Okay. It's 29, 20. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So answer is 27. 27 plus 9 is equals to 36. And mathematically, if you want to do that, so 36 minus 9 is equals to 27. So answer is 27. Okay. Similarly, you can do all these questions. Now next is adding made easy. Okay, in page number 33, they want to discuss one trick what they are doing in their daily life. Okay, how they are using their own maths for selling something or for purchasing something. Okay, so Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees, Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruit said 37 means, for her 37 means 30 plus 7. Okay, and for her 21 means 20 plus 1. Okay, so how she add things? 30 plus 7, 20 plus 1. So first she add 30 with 20. Okay, how? 30 plus 7 and 20 plus 1. First she add 30 and 20 and 7 plus 1. Okay, so 30 plus 20 is 50 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So it's total 58. Okay, it's her maths. ये अपनी चीज़ों को बेचने और ख़रीदने के लिए कुछ इस तरीके की मैथ्स का यूज़ करती है. क्लियर? सपोज़ जब आप मार्केट जाते हो, आप शॉपकीपर को 100 रुपीज़ देते हो और आप कहते हो कि आपने 90 की चीज़ ली है, तो शॉपकीपर आपको क्या है, तो शॉपकीपर आपको 10 रुपीज़ देते हैं. अब वो कैसे करते हैं उसको कि आपने 90 की चीज़ ली और मैंने आपको 10 दे दिए, तो 90 प्लस 10 100 और आपके 100 रुपीज़ पूरे हो गए. यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ trick, we will solve these questions. How we will solve it? Here 37 plus 22, so we can write it 30 plus 7 and 20 plus 2. Now add 30 and 20, and 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so now add 30 and 20, it's 50, and 7 plus 2, so 50, and 7 plus 2 is 9, so it's 59. Clear? Okay, now next one is 73 plus 24. So how we will do it? 73 is 70 plus 3, 24 means 20 plus 4. Okay, so 70 plus 20 is 90, 3 plus 4, so 90, and 3 plus 4 is 7, so it's 97. It means 73 plus 24 is equals to 97. Next one is 56 plus 21. Okay, 56 plus 21. So again 56 is 50 plus 6 and 21 is 20 plus 1. Okay, add 50 and 20 and 6 plus 1. Okay, so add 50 and 20 and 6 plus 1, 50. So 50 plus 20 is 70 and 6 plus 1 is 7, so answer is 77. So now come to the page number 36. Okay, so in page number 36, so there is one story. In that story, a lion baby lost his way in the jungle. Okay, and started crying. वो रोने लगता है. क्या है, ओल्ड डियर आते हैं और वो अपने साथ उसको ले जाते हैं. बट जब वो बेबी लायन उनके बीच में आता है तो वो सब उससे क्या हो जाते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाते हैं. ओके, तो जब वो उससे बहुत ज़्यादा डर जाते हैं तो उनको कहते हैं कि आप इनको यहाँ से ले जाओ. बट वो कहते हैं कि नहीं, ये हमको कुछ नहीं करेगा. ओके, आई टेक केयर ऑफ इट. बट जब नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग को बेबी लायन उनको छोड़ के जाने लगता है तो उनमें से एक कहते हैं कि लेट वेट, सबसे पहले हम चेक करेंगे कि हम सब लोग यहाँ पर हैं या नहीं. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि रात को इन्हें किसी को खा लिया. तो टोटली हम यहाँ पे 240, ओके, कितने 240 एनिमल्स थे. अब सब काउंट करके चेक करो कि सारे एनिमल्स यहाँ पे हैं या नहीं हैं. तो जब वो काउंटिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं, व्हेन दे स्टार्ट द काउंटिंग दे फाउंड दैट देयर टोटल नंबर ऑफ डियर्स आर 48 एंड टोटल नंबर ऑफ रैबिट्स आर 27 and total number of birds are 124. It is mentioned here total number of rabbits are 27, total number of deers are 48, total number of birds are 124 and total number of rabbits are 36. So just count all these number and you will get the total number of animals in the jungle. Okay, so how they add the things, it's another trick or another method. Okay, so first they add the number of rabbit and the number of, so it's 48 and 27. So 8 in one's place and 4 is 10th place. It means the value of 4 is 40 and the value of 2 is 20. That's why it's 27 na? Okay, so there is 4 tens and 20 tens and 8 ones and 7 ones. Okay, so 8 1 and 7 ones together make 15. Okay, 8 plus 7 is 15. In 15 already 1 10 is here, so they move 10s here and 5 ones left here. Okay, so now it become 5 and 1 carry is here because of this 10. Okay, so now 4 plus 2 and 1 carry, that is 7. So total number of rabbits and deers are 75. Similarly, we add the number of birds and number of squirrels. Total number of birds are 124 and total number of squirrels are 38. Okay, so 8 plus 4 is, yes, 12. Okay, and 30 plus 2 is 50. Okay, and that is 100. So now 12, in 12 there is 1/10, so it become 10 and go in the left hand side. So 2 is left. Now just write 2 here. Okay, and now 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6 and 1 directly from the 100 place. So now total number of birds and squirrels are 126, and previously the number of deer and rabbit are 75, and now the number of bird and squirrel are 162. Okay, so total number of animals are 5 plus 2 7, 6 plus 7 30, carry 1, and 1 plus 1 2, 237. Okay, but the number of animals are 240 and now is 237. So how many animals are missing? So it's not possible to subtract 7 from 0, so take carry and it will become 10. Okay, and 10 minus 7 is 3. Now it become 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 2 0, so 3 animals are missing. Okay, now come to the page number 39. Okay, in this page they take one example from a factory. In that factory, total number of bulb made in one day is 27 and another day is 123. So total number of bulb are, just add 270 and 123. Okay, it's simple. So total number of bulbs manufactured within 2 days is 397. So जब आपको 2 चीज़ों को combine करना, when you want to combine 2 things, you have to do addition only. Okay, जब एक दिन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगी, अगले दिन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगी, तो चीज़ें इंक्रीज होंगी ना. Okay, so addition. So in page number 40, the condition is a shopkeeper Rafi had 153 candles. Paras gave him 237 more candles. Okay, so already he have 153 candles and Paras gave me 237 more. So total number of candles are simple addition. 7 plus 3 10, 0 carry 1. 5 plus 3 8, 8. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 plus 1 3. So total number of candles are 390. Okay, is the sum more than 400? No, the sum is not more than 400. Okay, it's 10 less than 400. 400 के लिए 10 candles अभी भी कम है. Okay, now next question which you have to do by your own is, a train compartment is carrying 132 people, another compartment carrying 129 people. In all, how many pupils are there in both the compartment? Okay, so in one compartment, suppose that 132 people is there. Okay, and in another compartments 129 people is there. So total number of people are simple, just add 132 and 129 and you got the answer. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 11, 1 carry 1, 3 plus 2 5 and 1 6 and 1 plus 1 2, so 261. Manu found 138 pebbles, Kareem found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find all? So again it's addition. Okay, Shanu found 138, Kareem found 44, so add the number of pebbles and you will get the answer. Okay, it's for you. Question number C is, a teacher kept a note of which fruits a student liked in her school. This is what she found. Oranges liked by 136 girls and mangoes liked by 240 girls. Okay, and oranges liked by boys 128 and mangoes 243 boys. Okay, 136 गर्ल्स जो हैं वो ऑरेंजेस को लाइक करती हैं फ्रूट्स में और मैंगो को 240 गर्ल्स करती हैं. बॉयज़ 128 बॉयज़ जो हैं आपके वो ऑरेंज लाइक करते हैं एंड जो आपके 243 बॉयज़ हैं वो मैंगो को पसंद करते हैं. सो नाउ जस्ट चेक द क्वेश्चन नंबर ए. Okay, and that is how many students in the school like oranges. Okay, so the section of orange is here, ये ऑरेंज का सेक्शन है, तो इनको ऐड करेंगे तो आपको टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मिल जाएंगे जो ऑरेंजेस को लाइक करते हैं. सो 6 + 8 इज़ 14, कैरी 1. ओके, 2 + 3 5 and 1 6, 1 + 1 it's 2. So 264 oranges is liked by girls and boys together. Okay, so 264 students like oranges. Okay, next is how many students in the school like mango. So add this section. Okay, 240 girls and 253 boys. So 0 + 3 3, 4 + 4 8 and 2 2 4. So 483 students like mangoes. Altogether how many students are there in the school? So 264 students likes orange and 483 students like mango. So add these number and you will get the total number of the students. Simple. So 4 + 3 7, 6 + 8 14, 4 carry 1, 4 + 2 6 and 1 7. So 747. Total number of students are 747, 747. Next is the number of girls more than 350 or less than 350? So they want to know the number of girls are more than 350 or less than 350. So when you add this row, so you will get the total number of girls. Okay, it's a girl section, na? When you add this row, so you will get the total number of girls. So 6 + 0 is 6, 3 + 4 is 7 and 4 + 1 is 3. So is 376. So yes, the number of girls are more than 350. Okay, because this 376 is more than 350. So number of girls are more than 350. Now it's a practice time and it's very easy. अगर आपको पहले के पेजेस समझ में आ गए हैं, so it's very easy for you. So do it by yourself. Okay. Now come to the next page. Work out 4 different ways to write the numbers. Okay, so suppose for example number 1, 59. How we can write 59? 50 + 9, 30 + 29, 90 + 40, 50 + 0. Okay, so similarly how you can write 78? 78 we can write it 70 + 8. Yes or no? 78 we can write it 70 + 8. We can write it 50 + 28. Okay, what is the combination of 78 with 30? So just subtract 30 by 78. 8 - 0 8, 7 - 3 4. So answer is 48. Okay, so 30 + 48 is 78 and next is 78 + 0. Okay, 78 + 0 is 78 as the example. You can take it also. So there is lots of combination of 78 and you have to find out it. Okay, next is 83. So 83 is how you can write 83. First expand it. So it's 80 + 3. Yes or no? 83 is 80 + 3. Okay, and with 43. So if you want to know the combination of 83 with 43, so just subtract it. 83 minus 43 is 40. So just write 40 here. Okay, another combinations of 83 is इससे आप 10 माइनस कर दीजिए. जस्ट लेस 10 of 83 is 73. So 73 + 10 = 83. Less 20, so it becomes 63. So 63 + 20 is 83. Yes or no? Clear everyone? Okay, So by using different numbers you can find out the combination of 83 as well as 99, 102, 168. It's very easy. आप कोई सा भी एक नंबर ले लीजिए, चूज़ एनी वन नंबर, ओके, एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट इट विद 99, 102, 168, 83, okay, you will get the answer. So fill these answers here. For you I will do one question, and I think it's a little bit difficult for you, so I'll do it by myself. 168. So I can write it 160 plus 8. Okay, I can write it like that also. 100 plus 68. Okay, I can write it like that also. 120 plus 48. Clear? 80 plus 83, sorry, 88. 80 plus 88 is 168. Okay, and if you want to check your answer, just add these numbers. You can write anything. Okay, it's not necessary that you have to write only those numbers which is given to you by your teacher or which is written in your notebook. It's not necessary. Just attempt any one number, subtract it by the given numbers. Okay, subtract it by the given numbers and you can find the combination of two numbers. Okay, for example, suppose that I want to know the combination of 130. Okay, I choose number 46. So just subtract 46 by 30. So 10 minus 6 is 4. It becomes 2. 12 minus 4 is 8. So now 46 plus 84 is 30. And you can check it. 6 plus 4, 10. 0 carry 1. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So it is 130. Okay. Same you can do it for, you can do same things for different numbers also. Okay. Now next, page number 44 is find Mithu's bag, and it's an activity and it's very interesting. Do all the sum mentally. आपको ये सिर्फ अपने माइंड में करने हैं. Okay, now I am not doing anything on this screen. Okay, you have to do it by your own and you have to find out Mithu's bag. How? 75 plus 20. At 10's place and 1's place. Okay, so it's 95. Where is 95? Here. Now 90 plus 60. 90 plus 60 is 150. So go 150. Now 25 plus 30 plus 3. So 25 plus 30 is 55 and 55 plus 3 is 58. Where is 58? Here. Now 40 plus 9 is 49 and 49 plus 31. So 9 plus 1, 10. So 49 become 50 and 30 is 80. So where is 80? Here. Now 500 plus 200 is 700. So where is 700? Here. Okay. 40 plus 350, 750. So where is 750? Here. Now 670 and 120. Okay. So 670 and 120 is 790. So where is 790? Here. 380, 80 plus 210. So 380 plus 210. And now 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 2, 59. So 590. Where is 590? Here, in the upper side. Okay. So 590. Now 205 and 650. So 200 plus 600, 800. 50 plus 5, 55. So 855. So where is 855? In the right hand side. Now 128 plus 600 is 728. So here is 728. 150 plus 69 is 219. Okay, where is 219? Here. Now 37 plus 46 plus 3 is equals to 37 plus 46. Okay, 37 plus 3, 40. 40 plus 46 is 86. Okay, so 86. Now it's Mithu's bag. Now it's the last page, page number 45. Okay, in this page you have to make some combination with two symbols, addition and subtraction, and one sign of equality, and with lots of numbers. First is 50, 70 equals to, and 20. By using this combination you want to fill these blanks. Okay, so suppose if I write here 50, so 50 plus 70 is 20? No. So 50 plus 20 is equals to 70. Okay, and again here is addition sign, so reverse the number, 20 plus 50 is 70. Okay, now for subtraction, obviously if you want to subtract anything you have to subtract it with greater digit. Okay, 70 minus 20 is equals to 50, and 70 minus 50 is equals to 20. Okay, same you can do this question also. So if you have any doubt in any page, so just comment me in the comment section and I will provide you the solution video for it. Okay, thank you.